Hi, I'm Ashley, Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through the Spurling's assessment. So what is a Spurling test or assessment? The Spurling's test is used as a physical examination technique to identify cervical spine disorders. The patient's neck is rotated and extended while pressure is applied to the top of the head to compress the cervical spine. Spurling's test is mainly used to detect nerve root compression in the cervical spine. Numerous disorders including ruptured discs, bone spurs, and disc degeneration might contribute to this compression. Compression can result in neck pain, arm pain, numbness, tingling, and paralysis. It is essential to note that a positive Spurling's test alone is not enough to diagnose a cervical spine condition. Further imaging studies such as X-rays, MRI, or CT scans may be necessary to confirm the diagnosis. There are a variety of healthcare professionals who can use this test, including doctors, nurses, and more. Here's how to use a Spurling test. The first step is to fill in all the patient information at the top. You'll then need to complete the form by completing each section, evaluating instructions, and supplying sufficient information. Finally, you'll then need to integrate within a treatment plan. To view sample assessment of the Spurling test, feel free to visit carepatron.com where you can download and access it for free. You can also access the template via our platform, simply filter by community and assessment, or type in the keywords to find the test faster. You can edit however you wish and click publish to complete. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare videos.